So in this particular question, homogeneous differential equation RHS part is 0. So as we know, the solution is given as y is equal to yc, where yc is called as the complementary function. And in order to find the complementary function, first we have to solve and get the roots of auxiliary equation. Now how to form the auxiliary equations? First we have to assume that let d, capital D, is equal to d by dx. Okay. So in place of d by dx, you substitute as d. So here we are having d square by dx square, that you can write it as d square, and one y is there, put y, plus 4 into dy by dx is there. So d by dx can be written as d, and one more y is there, so y, plus 13y as it is, equal to 0. So from this, can I take y common? Yes, you can take y common. So d square plus 4d plus 13 into y is equal to 0. So after taking out y common, now we can form the auxiliary equation. How to form the auxiliary equation? In place of d, substitute m, and only we have to take care of inside the bracket function of d. So in place of d, I'll put m, so m square plus 4m plus 13 and equate it to 0. Only inside the bracket one equation will be formed. Now for this equation, I have to find the roots. Roots how to find? That means m value I have to find out. M values will be 2 because this is quadratic equation. Now this can be solved by using calculator if it is allowed, or we can use quadratic formula, or otherwise one more method is factorization method, which is also called as splitting a middle term. Now if we try the splitting a middle term, let us try first splitting a middle term. The constant coefficient of m square is 1 and here it is 13. So when you multiply, you will be getting 13. So when I multiply two numbers, I should get 13. And what is the middle term? 4. So when I add, I should get what? Middle term 4. Okay, this is to add, this is to multiply. So I should take the multiplication factor of this 13, not 4. Okay, so 13 factors will be what? 1 and 13, because 13 is a prime number. So you won't be getting anything related to what? 4. That is not possible only. So what you can understand from this, we cannot do by what? Factorization method. So we have to go by quadratic formula, since you will be getting roots in what? A complex number. That's why you are not able to do it here. So let us go by what? Complex number. Quadratic formula is given by what? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Right? What is ABC here? Let us write here. So a value is nothing but coefficient of m square, which is 1. B value is coefficient of m, which is 4. And c value is the constant term, which is 13 here. Now you can substitute the value. So minus b, so minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square. B square is 16 minus 4 into a value is 1 into c value is 13 whole divided by 2 into a value is 1. So what is the answer you are getting here? So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 13 is 52 divided by 2. Further, if you solve, minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 36 divided by 2, right? From this, can I take 2 outside? So I'll solve this root part. Can I take 2 outside? We'll see. So plus or minus 4 plus or minus. This can be written as minus 4 into 9, right? Divided by 2. So we are trying to take 2 outside. So it will be minus 4 plus or minus. 4 you can take it outside, it will become 2, right? Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root minus 9 divided by 2. Now from this whole thing, can I take 2 outside? 2. So what is remaining? 2 I'll take outside. So minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 9 and divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel. So what is the remaining thing? Minus 2 plus or minus. Root minus 9 can be written as root of 9 is nothing but 3 and root of minus 1 is nothing but iota. Okay. So root of minus 1 is nothing but iota. Remember this. Or I square is equal to minus 1. This you have studied in complex numbers. So this is the root we have got. So how many roots should you should get? 2 roots. So you can observe how many roots are there? 2 roots, because this is plus or minus. This can be split up into minus 2 plus 3i and minus 2 minus 3i. So whenever you're getting the yc value as what? M value as this complex number. So you are getting complex number, right? Complex numbers you got. So how to write the yc value? That's important. That means m value you got it as alpha plus or minus I beta. This form you have got the values, right? Now what is the alpha value here? In this particular equation it is 2, minus 2, and beta value is nothing but 3, right? Beta value is 3. This is plus or minus. Okay, don't get confused. Minus 2 plus or minus 3i. So 3 is the beta value. So for this particular equation, the solution will be yc is equal to e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. This is the way to write the answer. Okay. Now for this thing, we can directly write the answer yc is equal to e power alpha. Alpha value is minus 2, so minus 2x into c1 cos beta. Beta value is 3x plus c2 sin beta. Beta value is again 3x. So this will be the solution. Okay, and yc value we know it is the complementary function which is the solution for this particular equation.